You and me under the rain. A moment to cherish, to sustain. With each drop, a beat of our heart. Together, we'll never be torn apart. Our hands intertwined. We walk. The world fades away as we talk. The rain cleanses our souls. A love that endlessly unfolds. Drenched in love, drenched in rain. Our emotions free, nothing to restrain. We dance in the rain, wild and free. A moment in time, just you and me. The rain continues, a symphony of sound. Our love growing stronger, unbound. With each drop, our love is renewed. Forever entwined, forever true. You and me under the rain. A moment to cherish, to sustain. With each drop, our love will remain. A love that forever will sustain.